Okay, so after we check the machine, the movement, power on succeeds, we can start to do the test print by the software. So we find the USB cable that's at the back side of the machine, and we connect to the computer. If your computer don't have enough ports, you can buy a USB adapter. We connect back and open the software. The checking system will be working. You can see some sounds from the checking system for the white ink. We're checking for 1 minute. Okay, so now the sounds off means the white ink checking system is off. Then we find the test file from the focus support USB flash, and then the template print file, and we click print. Because right now we not put the ink on the machine, so right now just for test the movement and UV lamp is working or not. We go to the system, open the control system, and then we load the file, and we click print. So the table will automatically move to the back side. Then the front casually move out, and then the two lamps start on to curing. When we open the cover, we can see the two UV lamp, big one, small one is working, and the detector sensor is working, and the carriage move from left to right, and the table move from back side to front. And doing printing for screen will show the printing process, like 70%, 70%, 80%, 100%, and pass model, 8 pass, and speed, middle speed, high speed, and the direction to right, to left, or by direction. And after print, it will be shown ready again. We're just waiting for all the full image print finish. Okay, after print, we can see the screen show ready, and the table go to front a little bit and stop, and the carriage back to home position for keep weight. So that means the machine test printing working well. Then we can start to do the next step.